Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Seeing as a lot of people, because it's winter time, most people have put their grills up for the winter and aren't thinking about them until late spring, early summer, and just ain't worried about them. That's a real shame. Today, I'm going to start a new part of my series where I teach you Cajun cuisine using your grills. It might be a pellet smoker, it might be your Weber, or another charcoal grill, but I'm going to start teaching you how to do Cajun cuisine using your grills. Today, we're going to start off with individual meat pies that you can use for party snacks or substitute for meals, whatever the case may be. It's a good beginner course into Cajun cuisine. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, you want to go ahead and dice up of a yellow onion. Half of a bell pepper that's missing the seeds and everything else. First things first, if you're using a pellet smoker, turn it on, let the white smoke go out, and then crank it up to 350 degrees. If you're using one of your other grills, try to temper it to get up to 350 degrees. If you're using an oven, again, get it up to 350 degrees. I have it on medium heat, put a little olive oil down. Both the bell pepper and the onion go into the party. I'm going to go ahead and season it with a little Cajun 180. This is their all-purpose blend. Let these sweat for a couple minutes and then I'll be right back. Now that the onions have turned translucent, we're going to go ahead and add the ground beef in. We got 1 pound of ground beef here. So I add in some more of that Cajun Gold. Pull it off the fire, let it cool down for a minute. Now we're on to making the outer shell. Now you can go ahead and do it the hard way with getting the flour out and getting the eggs, letting the yeast rise the dough and everything else like that, doing it. Or you can go the easy route, getting you some Pillsbury brand biscuits. Preferably not the flaky kind. You want the regular, good old biscuits. First things first, you do need a little bit of flour though. The flour on the board is essential because you have to roll these biscuits out though. Got the flour on the board, on that. Gotta roll it out. Because you gotta make room for your stuffing. There you go. First things first, go ahead and grease up your pan. And grab one of your doughs. Get a little bit of the mixture. Of course, some of it's going to come off. Only natural. Get it into the center there. And pinch it all around. And there you go. Got your meat pie. Go ahead and prick it a couple times with some steam out. That's your meat pie. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on now. They should take about 18 minutes. You can maybe go up to 20, but I would start about 18 minutes on them. Check them at about 15. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Oh, they look great. Look at that. Nicely done. They look and smell great. Bottoms look great too. Oh, can't wait to dig in. All right, here we go. Nice meaty center. Right level of spice with that Cajun 180 blend. Got most of the Cajun Trinity. The bell pepper and onion, just missing that celery. But in this recipe, we don't need it. Great punch. Plus you get to use one of your grills. But if you're stuck inside because it's a snow day or it's just too cold for you, you can use your oven. Great recipe for a starter in Cajun cuisine. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.